everyone. Let's see what is the guidance for us today. What is universe asking us to do? Whoa. There is going to be an ending in your life related to something that you really were obsessed of. This has happened because you did not handle the situation by your own thought process. You listened to someone else, you heard someone else's opinion, and you ended up losing this situation. It went out of your hand because you got manipulated by someone. Universe is saying that whatever has happened, it is happened for good. Okay, now after this situation is over, there is going to be a beautiful beginning in your life. This could be related to your work, career, or your relationship, anything. You will finally find a guide and a mentor to lead this situation forward, which you think that is going to be very fruitful for you in future. But whatever is ended, the universe is asking you to let go of it. Okay, I see that there is a very strong energy of heartbreak. So universe is saying that if whenever you are feeling heartbroken, okay, be absolutely practical. Shut your emotions down for a while until you feel balanced. Okay. So right now what you need to do is you need to have a very practical approach towards everything that is going on around you. Okay. Anything that doesn't serve you, anything that doesn't make you feel good, anything that hampers your peace, cut it off instantly. That is what is coming from the universe. And to get out of this gloomy situation that you are in right now, please get out of your house, meet people, go around. If you're not in touch with your friends, contact them, hang out with them, celebrate a little, because that is what will help you come out of this ending that has happened in your life. Okay, let's see more. Beautiful. If the situation is related to your finances and you've been waiting for it to get sorted since a long time, it is going to happen now. Finally, it's time. You're going to be getting your rewards. You really wanted this since a long time, and this time when you get this reward, you're going to hold on to it very wisely. You're not going to let it get wasted. Okay, very positive energy if it comes to the relationship also. You must have lost your partner in past due to some misunderstandings or something like that. The universe is saying that finally your partner will approach you and the situation will get balanced. And since now you both have gone through a situation which you didn't want to, you both are going to be very careful in future about handling things.